Now children, we will do grammar junction given on page number 112 in your book. Okay, so in this part of the book exercise we are going to learn the use of since or since and for. Okay, so in our previous class 4th, we understood the meaning of since or for in the perfect tenses, like in present perfect tense, in past perfect tense. Yes, so and in future perfect tense we read the use of since or for. Let us just revise the concept. Okay. So take for example, I have been calling you dash 3 hours. I have been calling you dash 3 hours. What will come here? I have been calling you since 3 hours or for 3 hours. Okay, so we will understand this. Now, I have been calling you dash 3 p.m. Okay, here 3 hours is what? Here 3 hours is the duration of time. It is the period of time. 3 hour here is the period of time, and here 3 p.m. is the point in time. Here 3 p.m. is the point in time. So when we talk about the period of time, we use for. When we talk about period of time, we use for, and when we talk about the point in time, when we talk about the specific time, the point in time, for that we use since. Okay, so like here I have made a clock for you. I have been calling you since 3 o'clock cannot come. Okay, because 3 o'clock is the point of time from when I started calling you. Okay, from when I started calling you. So to mention the point in time we uses we use since. And for how long I have been calling you? I have been calling you for 3 hours. So this is what? This is the period of time. This is the period of time. इतने टाइम से, जब पीरियड ऑफ टाइम की बात होती है तब हम किसका यूज करते हैं? वी यूज for. And when we talk about the point in time, जब हम किसी काम के होने की शुरुआत के टाइम की बात करते हैं, that is particular time, तब हम since का यूज करते हैं. Okay, let us see in your book now. We use since to refer to a point in time such as 10 o'clock, Monday, okay, 3 August and my birthday. All these are examples where we have to use since. Okay, and we use for to refer to a period of time, means 10 minutes, 4 weeks, 5 years, for a weekend, okay, for a year, okay, and a long time. For this we use for. For plus period is living, like living here for 3 years, and since plus point is living here since 2014. What does this two things mean? यहाँ पर अगर if I want to say I have been living in Delhi कितने सालों से, what is the period of time आप यहाँ पर रह रहे हैं? So if I want to talk about the period of time, then I will use for to describe the duration of my stay here. लेकिन if I want to talk about the point in time, means कब से मैं यहाँ रह रही हूँ, then I will use since to since with the point of time, means the specific period, specific time. Okay, like I have been teaching here for 6 years, means duration of the time is 6 years. And how, like since when I am teaching here, I am teaching here since 2014. Since 2014 is the point in time, is the beginning time, is the beginning point where from where I started working in the school. Okay, so this is the basic difference between since and for. So on the basis of this you can do this exercise. First question says check the usage of for and since in the following sentence. Tick if it is correctly used and cross if it is incorrect. So read the incorrect statement correctly. Okay, so let us see the first statement. आपको क्या करना है इसमें? You have to tick where for and since are used correctly. जहाँ पर incorrectly use किए गए for and since आपको wrong cross लगाना है and you have to write the sentence correctly. Tarzan lived in the jungle since 20 years. So here since, is it used in a right way? No. Here what should come, because here 20 years is the period of time. So यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए, यहाँ पर आना चाहिए for. So first of all we will put cross in the box and then we will rewrite the sentence also. So second sentence देखिए, we waited for the bus since half an hour. We waited for the bus since half an hour. This is also the wrong statement. Yes, यहाँ पर भी half an hour is what? यहाँ पर भी half an hour is a period of time, not a point in time. So here also for should come and we will rewrite the sentence. Okay, so likewise you have to do part C, D and E in the book only. अब यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, you have to fill in the blanks with since or for. Okay, आपको period of time के लिए for लगाना है and point in time के लिए आपको since लगाना है. So like here dash 2 years. So what will come here? For 2 years, because 2 years is a period of time. Okay, and if I see this part, 30th March is a point in time. 30th March is a particular point in time. For this I will write since. Okay, likewise you can easily do all these parts of the question. Okay, and in this third question what you have to do, you have to fill in the blanks with since or for. आपको since or for correctly भरने हैं in blanks में. Like first sentence if we see, I haven't met her dash her wedding. I haven't met her dash her wedding. मैं उसकी wedding से उससे नहीं मिली हूँ. उसकी wedding is the point in time, is the beginning of the time जहाँ से जब से मैं उससे नहीं मिली. So what will come here? Here will come since. Okay, she has been learning French dash 4 months now. वो French सीख रही है. वो French सीख रही है for 4 months. For 4 months means this is the period of time. Here will come for. So I guess on the basis of this explanation that I have given you, you will be able to do for question number 1, 2 and 3 on your own. Okay, so if you don't understand anything you can ask me. Okay.